Again, with that pre-trial hearing in the subway chokehold death of Jordan Neely.
Today, new evidence revealed in court showing the moments when police spoke to Daniel Penny as they arrived on the scene.
Eyewitness News reporter Darla Miles was in the courtroom. She joins us live now in Lower Manhattan. Darla?
Well, Sandra, this is pretty unusual. Typically, when you go to any criminal trial, it's a given that the interrogation video and the body cam video will be introduced to the jury. But that's exactly what Daniel Penny's attorneys don't want the jury to see, and that's what's being debated upstairs in the courthouse. With the May 2023 cell phone video of Daniel Penny taking down Jordan Neely having gone viral and being so widely seen, what other evidence the jury will see in the second-degree manslaughter trial will make or break this case for both the prosecution and the defense. The 25-year-old former Marine arriving at New York Supreme Court for the 10 a.m. hearing Thursday, sharply suited alongside his high-powered attorneys, paid for by a Give, Send, Go online fundraiser that's raised $3 million for his defense. Prosecutors from the Manhattan DA's office playing the video of Daniel Penny being interviewed by NYPD detectives at the precinct. Penny still in the baseball cap and hunter green polo jacket he's seen wearing in the cell phone video and has read his Miranda rights. Throughout the video, Penny is calm, matter of fact, as he explains what happened. You hear him say, "I'm not trying to kill the guy. I'm just trying to de-escalate the situation." The two detectives, clearly trying to get a better grasp of the incident, ask, when he's screaming, "How do you feel? I want to know where your head was at." Penny responds, "This guy was actually threatening. He said he wanted to go to prison forever." During the videotaped interview, Penny goes over what happened several times, twice demonstrating the grip he had around Neely's neck and describing when he put his legs around Neely, saying, "He starts to squirm. I hold him a little tighter." Prosecutors also showing several body-worn camera videos from responding officers. In the video, Penny is seen standing around. At one point, he's asked, "Did he have a gun on him?" Penny responds, "I don't know. I just put him out." The Manhattan DA wants the jury to see these videos and hear Penny's initial comments, but his defense say he was being treated as a witness at the time and want them out. The hearing could possibly last through Friday. We're also getting a better glimpse of the NYPD response to this subway incident. There would seem to be some confusion as to whether or not Jordan Neely was unconscious or if he needed CPR. There were about 4 or 5 minutes that passed before he was administered CPR. He was also given Narcan before they realized he did not have a pulse. All of that, defense attorneys say, factor into Jordan Penny's state of mind after the incident, when he was casually waiting around, waiting to speak to officers, being treated as a witness, not a suspect. It's still ongoing upstairs. We'll find out the judge's decision at some point this evening or tomorrow.